Hey, welcome back to another beautiful KB property here at the preserve at Culebra community. This is 7806 Javelina Crossing. This home is 2,708 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom home with an office downstairs and a loft upstairs. So this is a real popular floor plan since it is one of our model homes here in the community. Off to your right, you do have a half bath. Over here, you'll have a formal office area. And right here, you'll have a formal dining area as well. Plenty of closets, storage. You are greeted here with your kitchen. This is a nice island, granite countertops, 42-inch cabinets, Whirlpool stainless steel appliances. You'll have a nice, great room right there. Plenty of space for entertainment. Let's take a look at the backyard before we go upstairs. You'll have a nice covered patio, fully sod, backyard, front yard, the sides. My homes also do come included with a full irrigation system. So sprinkler system is also included, as well as a alarm security system as well. All right, so coming upstairs, you are greeted to your loft area. Master bedroom is right there, nice and secluded from your other 3 bedrooms, which we'll go and look at first. Would essentially be bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. You do have your nice laundry area right here as well. And then of course, secondary bathroom. Nice tile surround. And essentially bedroom number 4 has a nice sitting area and a nice walk-in closet. Now we come all the way over here to the master bedroom. All right, master bedroom, very great in size. You could definitely fit a king-size bed, nightstands, very nice long dresser. In our model home, we even have a sectional, not a sectional, but a nice couch area, lounge area right there with a chair. And of course, right here would be your master bathroom. So you do have your nice stand-up shower, nice 42-inch garden tub, his and her sinks, so double sinks, enclosed toilet area, and your walk-in closet. All right, if you did want to get more information on this property, give me a call or shoot me a text. Thank you. Have a great day.